Welcome back, Rangers. We are all glad to have you back. Today we are doing a trick workshop on the Heelflip. Now, like the kickflip, it is a very popular trick that a lot of people don't know the technique about. If Nigel Houston's good with 360 flips, then the guy that comes to mind for me for Heelflips is Neen Williams. I don't believe you find any better technique than what this guy puts down. His Heelflips are immaculate. His form, his catch, he puts them down very, very tight spaces and massive gaps. He's done it all. I've seen him go over rails. I've seen him go down rock gaps. He's even done it to the handrail, and it looks crispy every time. The way he catches with his back foot and the way he flips it with his front foot is just, it's on point. I truly believe that Neen is one of the ones you want to watch if you want to learn a perfect Heelflip style. By watching our ollie video and seeing the tips in this video here, you too will have an awesome Heelflip. And while we're at it, if you enjoy videos like this, please hit a like, a subscribe. That really helps out our channel and helps us produce more videos just like this. Thank you again. Now on to the fun. Heelflips and how you can get those done. Similar to a kickflip, your toe to catch the corner pocket. We're going to use this part of our heel, just right behind it, to then forward out and then kick straight forward, producing a nice heel flip. Aim for is right here in this pocket here. For me, it's goofy, so it's gonna be here in the left pocket. Regulars, obviously, is gonna be the opposite side here. Be aiming for that pocket as you slide up, catching the heel of your shoe and extending out a kick and then wrapping back around to catch the heel flip. Here's a recap of some of the things that will help you make it easier for you to heel flip. Look to hit the pocket with your heel. Part of your heel is right here, not your toe area. Just trying to get your feet closer to the bolt and not so much in the middle for less traveling distance to the pocket. Quicker to the pocket, quicker of a flip. Center your balance, center your weight, evenly distribute this side, and jump straight up and let your foot continue the motion, not so much just your leg. Let that pop come out, let it slide, and let it flick. These should help you get a perfect heel flip and a faster, quicker heel flip. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon here at Ranger Skate Academy. God bless. Now it's time to get out there and show us what you can do. And with these new tips, we hope that your heel flip gets better and you enjoy your adventure with it. Thank you again.